waiting way too long just to get in my zone. I ain't never coming through and I won't pick up the phone. I ain't picking up. Gotta get it, gotta live it, what I do. Chillin' with the crew and you know we in the stew. 1, 2, what? I'm about to rock this, teach you new a lesson. Sully bop the topic, keys to the game. That's no locksmith, small town kid. Addicted to phonics, just 5 years ago I was breaking in the game. I paint you a picture but it wouldn't fit the frame. I told everybody, then they would know the name. But it's more about the music and not about the fame. But who knows if I would've never represented the sound. One thing's for certain, they try to shut us down. I'll send everybody in, man, we got a whole town. They say never, but we'll never back it down, come on.
They try to stop me, can't stop me. No, you cannot slow me down. No, you cannot slow me down. Ooh,
And I'm right back to it, everybody got a dream but they still won't do it. So sad, you gonna leave that behind? I'm asking you the question, what you're really trying to find when you grind. Do you like it or love it? Set the bar so high you can never be above it. Look at stars in the sky like you're gonna find something when the man looking at you is the man who does it. We both know the truth, it's always setbacks, pursuit of the goals. Gotta set that back when I had the fro. They didn't get that, now I got the flow to go. They accept that, you just gotta do what you do and do it well. I'll judge you upon if you got up when you fell. Ain't much to it, not much to tell. This is all you gotta say if you ever took an L, come on.
They try to stop me, can't stop me. No, you cannot slow me down. No, you cannot slow me down. Ooh,
One more time, man, I really gotta do it. I got more dimes, and I'm really going through them. I got more fire, and you know I represent the town. Homie, I'm the staple of the sound in this area. Throwing up the 908, hysteria. Fucking with the game, 5 years, I'm a marrier. That's prop on the drop, and you know I never stop this. Say it's in the back, but it's really out of pocket. Oh, shit, man, I know what to do. Came through Sully B, now I'm with the crew token. Where? You know we smoking where? Down by the river and it's flowing. Okay, wait up, yeah, I gotta do this. I came through with these raps, it's the newest, and it ain't even close to that shit that you heard. But I feel little urge, now I think I gotta split.